So we're in a 1994 Toyota Camry, 2.2 four-cylinder. It's leaking, has the oil pump seal issue, and also we're going to take a look at the timing belt because it's been about 70K since it's been replaced. So this is just a little start and run, but guess how many miles are on this? I don't know if you can see it here, but there is 333,014 miles. Original engine and transmission, and the body's in really good shape, which I'll show you here in a little bit. I'm just going to start it up and drive it around. It has a terrible oil leak. Go ahead and see if she starts up here. Sounds tight up there. There we go. Yeah, she's definitely cold. Alright, now she's idling on her own now. Oh, there we go, now you can see. I think we have a brake light out, or a running time light, I think. Alright, let's go ahead and take her for a drive then. Transmission has one of those economy mode and power mode. Power mode on. Stock radio. There we go. Oh yeah, there you go. ECT power. We'll see if it makes any difference. There's reverse. Little sewing machine. Alrighty. Go. It does have a little shimmy in the front end. I'm not quite sure what that is yet. Something with the brake caliper hanging up, I think. Other than that, it runs and drives very well. The owner's maintained it really, really good. Doing about 32 here. Just letting the motor warm up. Just real well. can feel that brake thumping whenever I press it in the front there. I think it's the left caliper. We'll take a look tomorrow when we start checking the car over. But other than that, it works fantastic, I must say. Power mode of the Trini, I don't know if it wastes more gas or not, but it's not bad. I'll turn it off and see if that makes any difference. Oh yeah, there we go. It did shift on a little bit, or to lower RPM. Last shift up. There, now she's idling a little bit higher.